Crack-a-lackin', everybody. It is JT the OCG coming to you from the place to be, my home office and study. And just to rehash what a horrible week I've had. I need a root canal tomorrow on my front tooth. I've been putting it off because of work and because I have a house situation. So now I got a house that is kind of in disarray that I have to get new doors on, and I have to fix the furnace and just clean it, and it's just a lot of headaches, a lot of stuff happening at once. The root canal is really killing everything though. But here's also killing stuff. Last week I was uploading. I think when I did the Cranky's Cooking #1 there, I was telling you about uploading Space Crew. Well, this will be Cranky's Corner #1, I suppose, and I'm telling you that these two SSDs both died on me. I had a RAID 0, which is a striping. I replaced these with Western Digital, where I'm doing a RAID 1, which is going to be a RAID 0 striping is faster processing, but it does lessen the lifespan of the SSDs. However, these SSDs I got at the end of 2018, that mega computer that is way too much and nobody needs. You see the specs on my older description. I built that so I wouldn't have to get a computer, or I would have to replace a little bit of a parts in the next 10 years. That's how advanced I made that computer. Well, somebody basically sabotaged that by unplugging like the fans, the water cooling fans on the processors. The processor fried, and the motherboard fried, and at the end of 2018. So anyways, I got a makeshift one that I got from a friend, and I got these two SSDs, and I put a RAID 0 on there because I wanted faster processing time. But Toshiba stinks. Never buy these. Never buy Toshiba. Okay. I got Western Digital, the crappy ones that come, and these are 480. These are 480. Right. So I got the same thing, Western Digital, 480. I put it on a RAID 1. Now RAID 1 is a mirror, which means, hopefully, for the Western Digital, it's a lesser processing time. But with a RAID 1 array, both of these will have the same, for the Western Digital, will have the same data on it. Now, so that means right now with that, I'm going through Windows updates, and I'm going through everything and updating this, getting new things on it. I was smart enough to only put like most of the operating system and utilities on the C drive, which was these as a stripe. But all my games and everything was on a old-fashioned Western Digital 3 terabyte hard drive with moving parts. So this is solid state HDD's hard drive with parts. Oh yeah, by the way, this stuff is like crack. This is the stuff I'm putting on my tooth, and that's why I could talk right now. This thing, I think, oh my God, I hope I don't have to go to rehab after this. This thing dulls like my whole face. And then I have this, which is the Origel. This is like mega heavy medicated. This is PM. This knocks you the hell out. But it hasn't knocked me out. It just made me feel okay. And then I put like an ice pack on it. I swear to God, it feels like somebody's putting a needle right into my nose. That's how bad it hurts. And it's going to really hurt tomorrow when I do that. But at least I could recover over the weekend. So I'm doing that. Oh yeah, I got my beard gains here. So if you got a beard, this is my beard comb, man. This is my beard comb. Kick ass. And then I also have this balm. I like this stuff. This is Valhalla. So if you have a beard, get this beard balm stuff, man. Loved by women. Oh, made for a man. That's why women love it, because of me. Anyways, but yeah, sponsor my video. No, I'm kidding. And another thing is that I ordered this from Walmart. See, it looks pretty cool, right? So this thing I got from my house. So I got to go over and deal with my house, and I'll probably do Cranky's Corner number 2 to show you what my house looks like after all is said and done. But yeah, this came with no screws. It's a very easy assembly. Came with no screws and no washers. There's supposed to be a washer in there. See where the inset is? And so that's it. So you put like the washer in, the screw in, and you screw it into the bottom of this. Now, it didn't come with the screws. So I email Walmart and tell them, hey, listen, you didn't give me like screws, and they said, oh, you got to talk to the manufacturer. So I talked to the manufacturer. Nah, that's too bright. So I talked to the manufacturer, and the manufacturer goes, you assembled it wrong. It's I assembled it. You know, morons, you didn't give me screws. This is it. One, the other leg, that's it. It's like the easiest assembly, and you come back to me saying I installed it wrong. Don't order anything from Walmart. It's a horrible thing. And they say, oh, we'll send screws. Please wait. Yeah, I'm going to be waiting forever. This thing's a waste. That thing's a waste. It's going to go in the garbage probably. So that's basically been my week. My phone died because I tried to put Google Voice on this thing to transfer calls because I was getting way too many car warranty freaking calls. And basically Google Voice destroyed my phone. So I had to set it to factory resets. I was not getting any calls. It wasn't going through Google Voice, and it was not going through my phone. So like a lot of people were like, what the hell is wrong with you? We're trying to reach you. I would go, if you're trying to reach me for a car warranty, you can go So anyways, so that's it. So right now I'm rebuilding PC with 2 new SSDs. So there's no videos except for stuff like this. And we'll keep it at 7 minutes, maybe 7 minutes 30 seconds. We'll say okay. Anyways, that's that. Do I have anything else to tell you? Let me see. Oh, the book I'm reading right now, The Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy by Douglas Adams. If you have never read this, please do so. It is a classic for a reason. And I will catch you on the flippity flop. Get off my interlawn.